Hi guys.
I'm having to make a video. Right, don't do it. It's gonna be weird. Don't do the exercise thing.
I'm gonna do it as giraffes then.
Hi-ya! Hi-ya! I ain't gonna do that.
Let's do it. Let me put you guys right here. Hi guys, I'm gonna be levitating. Watch. What? See? Okay, I'm actually gonna be levitating without the ball. Watch. So I'm gonna put the chair here. The ball goes right on the chair.